This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by John King. This cottage-style home boasts rich hardwood floors, extensive crown molding, deep baseboards, and soaring ceilings. Open concept floor plan is great for gatherings and showcases the granite kitchen with large center island/snack bar that opens to the spacious living area. Double French doors offer lots of natural light and lead you to the inviting side porch. Other features to appreciate: first floor luxury master suite, finished room over garage, has its own full bath, inviting front porch, gas fireplace, stylish fixtures and blinds, recessed lighting and surround sound, and so much more. Do not wait, act now. For more information, review the details below.